Good morning everyone, welcome to another property technical video. This episode is the fourth update of Project Alpha. So as we saw in the last video, the land was cleared and leveled. Now the work begins towards building the property. So first steps, site preparation. Last week they installed new water supply to the property. Now why new water supply? As we know, the building that is going to be constructed is a duplex, meaning one left side, one right side. So the right side already had water, but the left side needed new water and new water meter. Therefore, they had to tap into the water mains, which happened to be on the other side of the street. And they drilled a pipe from under the ground to the other side, and it tapped into the water mains. So this work can only be done by a specialist plumber. Once the outlet is installed, they put a tag on it which specifies that the works carried out has been done in accordance to the law, and the other side remains as is. So these two will feed water into the property individually. Each will get their own meter. So at the back of the property, they dug into where the sewer line runs, and then they fit a pipe to the sewer mains. And once they fitted the pipe, they leveled the ground again. So the plumber who will be putting down pipes before the slab is poured will connect to this pipe. So all the wastewater will go down from here.
The cost of this plumbing work is about $6,000.
Now it might sound a bit much, but depending on property and how the water mains run and the sewer mains are running, this cost can go over $40,000, $50,000. Now here's a pro tip. Before you buy a property to do a multi-dwelling project, make sure to talk to an architect, because depending on where the water main runs from, the cost can sometimes be as high as $50,000 or even more. What we did is called minor works. Sometimes this becomes major works, where the water board may require a new water mains to be brought into the property. And for that, sometimes they have to dig up the road and put in new pipes and fix the road again and things of that nature. So very expensive process just to bring in water. So talk to your architect before you buy. Now you might have noticed the white pegs. What are they for? A surveyor comes and puts the pegs down in specific locations of the land. And these mark where the property ends or where it begins and things of that nature. These are specific locations. And from here onwards, the plumber will lay down his pipes, the concreter will build his formwork, so everything is set in correct position. Without this, there can be a lot of headaches, and I've faced such headaches before. Some builders, they skip on this step to save some money. That's all for this update. So far, all the work that is required under the ground is pretty much done. From here forward, everything that will be done will contribute towards taking the building upwards. So a lot of exciting new updates are to come soon. If you have any questions, by all means, please feel free to ask so I can answer as soon as I can. I will see you in the next video. You take care of yourself.